friends, welcome back to Creative Unique Treasures. My name is Trisha and my husband's name is
Jeff.
On our channel,
Jeff.
and I love to recreate what someone may think is ready for the trash into a unique treasure. If this is something that you are interested in,
Jeff.
and I would appreciate you subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment. That way you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. We so appreciate you taking your time and sharing it with us. Blessings, and thank you for watching. Wow, what an awesome day Jeff and I had. We went to see Kelly Sherry at Flea Market Rescue in her grand opening, and what an awesome day it was in Dryden, Michigan. If you're local, check it out. It was so exciting. So this is just a little video of us shopping and going along, and the only thing I wish I would have did was get a picture of with Debbie and Carmen. But other than that, it was a perfect day. Her store is so spectacular and so cute and adorable, and she did so much work. And right now I'm inside of a tent because she had so much products to look at and so much beautiful things to see that she had to set up a tent on the side of her building. And that's where I'm at right now. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited for all the subscribers that has joined my channel. I appreciate you all so much. It means so much to us. And I guess I'm gonna be quiet and so you can watch the video. But I had the most special day, and it's a day I'll never forget. And I guess I'm gonna stop talking. I guess I said that already, but we were just so overwhelmed. Forgive us for some of the videotaping. If it's not perfect or anything. We were so overwhelmed that, that maybe we didn't get it to be perfect, but the day was perfect. And I want to thank Kelly and Joanne and Debbie and Carmen and my husband, and we all had a wonderful day that day. She had beautiful treats for everyone. It was just a spectacular day. I guess that's all I got to say. But I'll be quiet now. So thank you for everyone subscribing, though. I appreciate it so much.
Right. She eats hot cider and donuts. There you go. There's one of those.
You still got going? Still got it? These are cool.
That's a good price.
Yeah. I have to get one of them. Put that on a bird feeder, huh? The ladles.
Yeah.
Should I grab a couple so we can do that like bird feeder thing?
Yep.
At first he's like, I think he made
These
that
two are
before.
cute.
I didn't like it.
They're both large. I think they're tight.
And then I can't stop eating.
What do you think, huh?
Yeah.
Or just grab one and see how it works?
No, grab both of them. Good deal.
Stay drinking. No, I know. She is.
Do I have to buy them? Do I have to buy them?
This is the checkout here.
Okay.
But if you have more shopping to do inside, do
Yep.
that first and come see us after.
Okay.
So just carry it around with me?
You can, or you can set it here if you
Okay.
wanna.
Okay. I'll put them right there then.
But there's also like a bag down here at the bottom of the table if you wanna like walk
Or I
around.
can use my flea market rescue.
Got it. You're all ready to go.
I can use my flea
I want
market
to take a.
bag.
I want to. Oh, look at she has
Yeah,
the bag.
so I can carry my stuff. then.
Oh, hi. I want to take a picture with you.
Okay.
Okay. I've been waiting. I said City. She was closing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I bought a
Yeah,
few
the,
things from her.
30, 35 or
Yep.
something, or 30.
Yes, 30.
Oh wow. You paid before.
Yes.
I want to do this in my house.
So we took the carpet. We took the carpet up, and I'm like, it's wood floors, yay! You know what? There was so much glue on the floor.
All that tarry stuff.
It was all tar. It was tar.
How did you get that up?
Yeah, we put it. We had a real sander doing it, and it was not coming up. So we painted it white. We distressed everything, and then after that, we painted the checkers on it because I really wanted checkers.
It's beautiful.
Oh, thank
Very
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Cool.
These are actually from when I had the yeah. We tore them down and put them in here.
I need your shop.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is for having your son do that. Thank you so much. Don't know what to buy. I liked it all. That looks like that green picture I had in my booth.
Yeah, yours was a little bit darker.
Yeah. Oh, look at her heads.
Yep.
On that for Misty. Let's see, Misty, look at the heads. I'm at Kelly's. And I'm looking at something to buy and I don't know what to buy because I want it all. Look at her floor, how beautiful. I love her floor. I got to meet Debbie and Joanne.
We got a 10 by 30. And you can't still look at your phone.
Well, I mean, I can see the boys think.
She's got beautiful stuff. I like this enamel. I love enamel. Look at the chandelier. It's just gorgeous. There's all of her goodies that they prepared. Donuts.
Alright, see you later. Thanks.
Nice drink.
I know the lady next door here, though.
I love this.
I'm eyeballing this.
But if figure out what I want. Gotta figure out what I want to buy. I know, that's what I want, yeah. I know. Look at that beautiful, what she did up there with her grapevine and her light and her son built the, I guess it's like a trellis.
When do I pay for this at? In the tip. Oh, okay.
What do you think, Jeff?
This is great.
It's great.
Yeah, everything's perfect.
So pretty. I want to take this time and thank everyone for joining and subscribing onto my channel. I want to thank Kelly and Joanne and Debbie and Carmen. Everything was so wonderful that day. It's a day I'll never forget. And especially all the people that subscribed. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. And God bless.